This is what it looks like now. I will be making chili, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients that I'm using. This is the onion powder, and this is garlic salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, chili powder, iodized salt, kidney beans, and this is organic diced tomatoes. These ingredients I just found it from my pantry, and I decided to make a chili so that I can use this. And also I have a fresh garlic and onions. Half of the onion. Okay, now chop the onions. Always hide your finger. And also it will be a lot better if you know you're using clean cans, because when you open it with the can opener, you know it's clean. It will not drip inside the can, the dust and whatever it is. And also be careful opening the can with your finger because it's sharp. Okay. Now I'm ready to saute the food, the vegetables. Before you saute the vegetables, make sure the pan is hot, and then add the oil in there, and then start sauteing. When the pan is hot, pour 3/4 of a spoon of oil in there. I'll show you what it looks like, the oil in the pan. That's how much oil I put in there. Okay, now it's hot. I'm going to add the vegetables in there. First, I like to put my garlic first. I like my garlic a little brown. And then the onion. So be careful when the pan is hot. You have to turn down the heat so I will not get burned. Put it back to medium, low medium. Okay. Now I'm going to add the green pepper. At least you cook the meat about 10 minutes so that it will be tender. It's easier to chew, and also it tastes much better if the meat is tender. And here it looks what it looks like. So the paper's already a little bit done, so maybe another 2 minutes before I pour the kidney beans. I have the kidney beans here. Kidney beans. And mix. Okay, I did not season it yet, so I'm gonna start seasoning it while it's cooking. First, I'm gonna put onion powder. I just sprinkle it for me to taste, for my taste. And then the garlic powder. This is garlic salt, so I'm very careful on the salt because it's not good for you. And then I have because I'm gonna eat this. Okay, see you next time.